Hey, what's good everybody? Welcome back to our YouTube channel mahagurus.com. So in this tutorial we would learn how to highlight the cell rules. So to do this I would suggest you guys to please follow each and every steps as I say. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, to highlight the cell rules we have to just select the cells or the column, entire column, and after selecting click on home, and in this style group you have to click on conditional formatting, and here you will see the highlight cell rules. In this highlight cell rules you have the bunch of options like the greater than. When you click the greater than, you have to enter the number whichever you want to enter, like whichever you want to show here, which greater than, like I'm entering greater than 50, and you can change the color whatever you want and enter yellow color and OK. So here are the numbers like 30, which is not greater than 50, is not highlighted, but the 60s are highlighted because they are greater than 50. Similarly, we can just apply these again. We'll just click on home and conditional formatting and then highlight cell rules, this time less than. So suppose this time I'm selecting again 60 and this time green color and enter. So guys, this now converted into green color all the number which is less than 60. Get it? So now guys, let's talk to some more options. Like if you would select this and click on again, we have between. So you have to you have to write the two numbers. Like here I'm writing 40 and here it's 50, and whatever the color you want, like I'm selecting red color and OK. So the number between 40 and 50 is here 49 and 50. Get it? So guys, some more options like text that contains 60 and OK. So the text which contains 60 is highlighted, and similarly the date occurring. So here are no dates, nothing, so no color will be applied as you can see, but here we have the dates. So I'm just selecting this one and conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and a date occurring like yesterday, today. You can see the changes guys. Today is 15, yesterday is 14, yesterday was 14, and tomorrow is 16 is highlighted, and last 7 days, this last 7 days of record, and it's last week record, and whatever you want to take the color, just take the color, pick the color and OK. So this was the highlighting the cell rules. That's all for today guys. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.